Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing well. I'm Sonali Singh Rathod. I'm a certified yoga instructor and I have completed my yoga teacher training course from Excel Yoga School. In our five significant yoga styles, aerial yoga, power yoga, flow yoga, restorative yoga, and pregnancy yoga, under the expert guidance of Samat sir. As I already enjoy practicing yoga, but I never know the whole philosophy of it. But after joining the Excel Yoga School, I learned a lot about yoga. I got to know about the history of yoga. I learned the different styles of yoga, aerial yoga. So aerial yoga is one of my favorite yoga style, which is also known as a Vayavya yoga. Many years ago, yogi used to practice aerial yoga on banyan tree. They put the fire on ground and they float on the tree. They also do the meditations on banyan tree. But nowadays, for doing aerial yoga, we use hammock, which is made of parachute material, and it can bear up to 600 kg weight. The ideal height of your hammock should be up to your waist. So if you are doing any pose like Shirshasana, your head does not touch to the ground. In aerial yoga, you have to maintain every asana at least for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you can get amazing benefit of it. But a person who have any serious physical injury or major post surgery or a pregnant lady, they should avoid doing aerial yoga. Always remember, whenever you are doing aerial yoga, start it with the easy pose. Once you will get comfortable with the hammock, you can do any pose easier. And benefit of aerial yoga, it improves blood circulation, it increases your strength, it also good for the flexibility and for mental health. Second is pregnancy yoga. So pregnancy yoga is divided into three trimester. It's divided according to the week. Like first to 12 week is first trimester, 13 to 28 week is second trimester, 29 to 37 or 14 weeks is third trimester. One should avoid doing pregnancy yoga if she have any complication in her pregnancy or history of miscarriage, and also a lady who have high blood pressure or heart disease or difficulties in walking, she should take a permission from her doctor before joining a pregnancy yoga class. Benefit of pregnancy yoga. It manage your mood swings. It improve your digestion system and sleep. It reduce your stress and back pain. It also protects you for delivery. Class format for pregnancy yoga. You can do 15 minutes Kundalini movement. After that, you can take a 2 to 3 minute rest. You are allowed to do 25 minutes yoga asana, but you have to take rest after every 2 or 3 yoga asana. You can do pranayam and mantra chanting for 15 minutes, but no long mantra chantings. The general benefits of doing pregnancy yoga, it's manage your mood swings, it reduces your stress and back pain, it's improve your sleep, it's improve your digestion system and prepare you for delivery. Third is power yoga. So power yoga is good for inches loss and weight loss. It's divided into four categories: upper body, side body, lower body, and whole body, included Surya Namaskar as well. While doing power yoga, you need to keep your body loose or you have to hold a correct body posture. Otherwise, it can give you back pain. And the fourth one is restorative yoga. We do it with the help of bolsters. It helps to reduce back pain and make you feel better, healthier, and stronger. It's also known as a resting pose, so it help to reduce anxiety and depression as well. It keeps your mind and body calm. One is Vinyasa yoga or a flow yoga. Vinyasa yoga is a style of yoga in which we move from one pose to another with using inhale exhale without holding pose, without holding breath. That's why it's also known as a flow yoga. It's a combination of so many poses, including backward bending, forward bending, twisting, balancing. So there is a benefit for Vinyasa yoga. It really build strength, flexibility, and stability. It improves your energy level. It improves your body posture, and it good for the weight loss. So these are the five styles of yoga which I learned at Excel Yoga School. And I joined Excel Yoga in September 2022, but due to some personal reason, I had to relocate to some other city. But now I'm very happy to announce that I have completed my yoga teacher training course last month from Excel Yoga School. And Samat sir was very supportive throughout the training. So it has been a wonderful experience for me in Excel Yoga School. Thank you.